My car is rusting. Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, I noticed an issue with my car. So let me show you a couple quick pictures. So if you look close in that corner, you can see some rust where the corner of that body panel is touching the car. So as you can see, where the driver's side fender corner contacts the body of the car, there's been a chafing of the paint causing a little bit of surface rust. So I'm going to have to do something to impede that and make sure that it doesn't continue. But for those of you that have your cars, want to make sure you want to keep them for a long time, go ahead and check that spot on your car. Now I looked around on the passenger side, and there's about an 1/8 of an inch or whatever 3 millimeter gap between the corner of that panel and the other paint on the car. But on the driver's side, there is that spot where the corner has contacted the body. Now I was gently pulling on that corner to get it to flex away, and I was able to get it to pull away about 1 millimeter or so. And so what I'm going to do is get behind there and with a little bit of treatment and then some epoxy or something to cover over that area to prevent it from rusting any further. So just something that you guys might want to look into on your cars, and just a real quick little video. But definitely check your cars and make sure that you don't have any panel to panel, metal on metal body contact there. So that's it. Take it easy, guys. Bye-bye.